Hello guys, in today's video we are going to look at the Android Auto connectivity of the Hyundai EXTER. So in order to connect the Android Auto, you must have the C-type USB charging cable, and it must be connected to your smartphone, and your smartphone must support the Android Auto connectivity application. And also in the Hyundai EXTER system you do not get wired Android Auto connectivity. Right now we are seated in the Hyundai EXTER 2024 model. I do not know in the future they might upgrade the features in such a way that you might get an Android Auto connectivity in the wireless mode. But as of now, in our car we are having the wired auto Android connectivity option. So what does the Android Auto do is that in your phone you need to travel from point A to point B, you use Google Maps. So what does Android Auto connectivity does is that you can mirror the same information whatever you see on the mobile phone into the 8-inch screen using the Android Auto application. So you get the Google map layout as same as what you get in your phone, and you can customize which destination you need to go using the Android Auto connectivity. As you see, you get the search and you can search to the nearest destination which you need to go. Also, as per the latest Android Auto connectivity update, you do not get only the Google Maps to use using the Android Auto connectivity option. What you get is that you can also call to the person who you want using the Android Auto. Also, you can listen to your favorite songs using the Spotify app in the Android Auto connectivity. And you can increase or decrease the volume using the speaker volume using the buttons in the steering wheel. Also, you can reduce it using the steering wheel. You can also switch music using the toggle button in the steering wheel of the Hyundai EXTER. And also you have settings. You can customize your settings over here, like you need to show the messages in such a way that only the message from the person has come, or you can also customize in such a way that a message from the person has come and what message he has sent to you can also be read aloud, provided you allow the permission in the settings of your Android Auto connectivity. And also you can use your phone apps using the Android Auto. This particular apps can be customized using the settings of your mobile phone. As of now, as per the default option, what you get is that you get the Hyundai app. What it does is that it just redirects to your Hyundai information display, such as right now what you see here. And let me go to Android Auto option, and let me go to the apps again. The next is that you get calendar, and this particular thing is games. Next, I don't know what does it does. I guess you can play games using your Android Auto connectivity option. I haven't tried these games. Hope I try all these games and post a later video regarding that too. Let me go to the apps again. And then you have Google Maps, as I've spoken, and then you have messages. You can read your messages using the Android Auto connectivity option, and you can also read your WhatsApp message using the Android Auto connectivity. What does that? First, it pops out the notifications that what the other person has sent to you, and then the moment you press it play aloud, then the information or the message sent by the person gets played. And then you have contacts. To whom do you want to text a message also can be done using the WhatsApp app. Basically what you're doing is that you're controlling your phone's app in the infotainment screen of your vehicle. That is the best thing which you get using the Android Auto connectivity of the latest version. And then in order to use the voice assistant, what you must do in the Hyundai EXTER is that you need to press the voice assistant button by pressing it, and you need to hold it for 10 seconds, or otherwise you press it immediately. What does it does that it gets redirected to the blue link of the Hyundai EXTER, and whatever you tell that, for example, you need to travel to the nearest petrol station. What it does is that it has the inbuilt map present in the infotainment system, and the moment you press this button and tell navigate to the nearest petrol bunk, what it does is that using the map present in the Hyundai EXTER default button, it redirects to the map page of the Hyundai EXTER's map, which is present in the infotainment. But as of now, I need to use the map which is used in the Android Auto. So let me show how it works. Navigate to the nearest petrol bunk.
Navigating to Nyara Energy Limited, petrol bunk.
So you can see the device automatically gets navigated to the nearest petrol bunk. As you drive, it will change the directions and help you to reach your destination on time. This is the video about the Android Auto connectivity of the Hyundai EXTER, and what you can use using what are the apps that can be used using the Android Auto connectivity of the Hyundai EXTER. This particular Android Auto connectivity is respect to the software version of your phone. So the moment the Android Auto connectivity gets updated in your phone, the same thing it gets updated in your vehicle too. So in order to use the Android Auto connectivity, you must have a smartphone with you. And in order to use the Android Auto connectivity in the Hyundai EXTER, you need to have the wired cable to use it. Thank you for patiently listening and watching this video.